Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, and this is how to choose a stainless steel sink. Well, outside of style and overall appearance, you might want to look at the thickness of the gauge of the sink. Remember, the lower the number, the thicker the panel or the gauge of the steel, and that's what you want. You don't want that tinny sound, which brings me to my next point. The insulation at the bottom of the sink, whether it's sprayed on or it's got a soundproofing pad, obviously the more insulation it is, the better quality of the sink. And believe me, it does make a difference when you've got that little tinny sound going on as the water's pouring out of your faucet, or you're banging a pot up against it, or whatever it is. It really truly does make a difference. They're still among the best price point. One other note is they won't rust and they are chip resistant, but they will scratch. It will scratch. So if you decide on getting a more polished finished, just want to make you aware of that. This is the Home Source Guy helping you build a better life, and we'll see you next time.